My name is Isaac Taylor. I'll be a senior this year, and I was on Team Tanzania, better known as MAN Team. MAN Team, there's a lot of manual labor involved. We're doing construction projects. On this trip, we built 6 different churches, working on the foundations, pouring concrete, putting up pipe pillars for the roofs. And so that this member, after one of our longest days, the sun was down, it was probably like 9 or 10 at night, brought this young boy who had special needs into the church. Didn't smell good, it was an uncomfortable kind of moment, but he took this kid, and I just watched him just pour out the love of God in this kid, clean his wound. When all of us were so tired, it reminded me of the scripture in Matthew where God says, "What you have done for the least of these, you have done for me." And it was a very impactful moment to see that one member on our team take the time after a long day and just pour it into this kid with special needs and clean his wounds for him. And so that was a moment on the trip that was very impactful for me.